Good afternoon and welcome to MarineMax Stuart. My name is Brian McGlenn. Today I'm standing in front of a 2023 19 SPX Sea Ray. For those that do not know, the SPX line is a great entry level into the Sea Ray brand. It is their smallest model, but offers a ton of great features. Great for the beginner or the expert looking for a simple and easy way to get their family on the water by trailering the boat or keeping it in dry storage. The 19 SPX has a beam of 8.5 feet, which offers a ton of space, safety, reliability, and one of the best designs in its class. This specific boat has the quantum blue hull sides, galvanized trailer, Mercury 150, and plenty of more features inside. Let's hop aboard and I'll show you around. As we stand here on the stern, you'll see a couple of great upgrades. First and foremost, engine power. This boat is upgraded from the 115 to the 150 4-stroke. The material I'm standing on back here is a foam-like material called SPX. Offers a lot of traction and comfort as you walk in and out of the boat. You have a nice boarding ladder, 4-step ladder that drops down. Standard here in the back is a ski pylon. You have a nice collapsible bimini top for shade, so you can fold it back, store it for storage, trailering, or when you're out using it, you can collapse it as well if you're looking for a little bit more sun. However, just a quick, easy process to extend it, and it'll offer a ton more shade. Here on the back of the boat, under your sun pad, is a great amount of storage. Nice, easy to open, supported by gas shocks. As we walk into the boat, great seating here in the cockpit, seating for 4 to 5 before you even get up to the bow. This is an optional feature on the 19 SPX, so here on the port side, it is offered with a second captain's chair. However, this is one of my favorite setups. So you have a nice forward-facing seat, and easily, if you fold this up, you have this additional platform that will secure into place. Now you have a lounge or seating for 2. On the starboard side, you have a nice captain's bucket seat with a flip-down bolster. You do have the upgraded Simrad touchscreen, multi-function display for your chart plotting, engine data, sonar, and much more. As you work your way up to the bow, you'll see this model is equipped with the filler cushion. When you do remove that, you do have some nice seating off the port and starboard side. And then as you move forward from there, you do have a nice anchor locker. You'll see, just like to point out a couple things about the fit and finish of a Sea Ray. You see you have the nice design inlay here on the sides, the speakers. This is all part of the Elite package that this specific 19 SPX has. So if you'd like to learn more about this model, feel free to give us a call at MarineMax Stuart. My name is Brian McGlenn. Our phone number is 772-287-4495. Thank you very much.